So this is why all the traffic. It's absolutely amazing to see that there's builders on the road. Traffic for miles and miles. Keeps on going and going and going. And the traffic keeps on going and going. If any one of you sees this video, know the reason why you were stuck in this traffic. Wow, still traffic. We've cleared it on this side southbound, but northbound you guys have a long wait ahead of you. So just an update, still traffic heading northbound on the A1. So here's where the traffic ends. I don't know what's going on here, maybe the car's broken down, but okay. Hope it all goes well. And ladies and gentlemen, southbound is all clear. Northbound, they're heading into a trap. It's a trap!